What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we are kind of getting into the spring season here. So what we're doing here today, we have a lot of vehicles in the shop today for some preventative maintenance and some maintenance in general. So spring is almost here. Today is March 2nd. So this 4Runner right there, it's currently in for a broken shock for the rear, or broken shock bolt, I should say. The shock itself is fine, but some maintenance while it's in here. We're also checking out some few things for it as well. We do a trail ready inspection here. What that means is that we just check out everything from suspension, your intake, your driveline, everything like that. We just check everything to make sure that the vehicle is in tip-top shape, ready for the trails. So that's exactly what we're doing today. And then that Tacoma back there is just getting from replacement front shocks, a little bit better than what was on there before. And then we have about 6 other vehicles today just in for some maintenance and upgrades as well. So this is kind of a reminder for you guys here who are getting ready for the spring and summer camping, wheeling season, just to get your vehicle checked out and just to make sure that everything is good. That way you're not stranded or find yourself in a tough situation when you guys are actually on the trail. So that's pretty much it, all we wanted to do today. So get your vehicles in, whether you're in Denver, Colorado or another state, just get it to your local shop and have them check it out. But if you guys are in Colorado, feel free to give us a call. This time of year, it does start to pick up a little bit as far as like installation and shop stuff. So try to get it in as soon as possible. That way you're not booked out like a month down the road. So if you want to get your vehicle out pretty soon, give us a call. We can get you in pretty quickly, especially for just an inspection. And if it does need anything, or if you want to upgrade to anything, we can get those things ordered. Sometimes things take a little bit longer. For example, bumpers, sliders, anything that gets fabricated is a little bit time consuming. So give us a call. I will have my number to the shop here down in the description, or if you guys are in Colorado, just look us up, Running for Tacos or R4T on Google Maps or Apple Maps, and you'll see us there. And that's it. Hopefully you guys get your vehicles ready, and see you guys next time.